Hey, so today I'm here with Sara Fields from AI Solutions. She's our next awesome sponsor for the Space Software Summit, and she's going to tell us a little bit about herself and her company. So, Sara, let's tell me all about you.
Hi, everybody. I'm Sara Fields. I'm the Director of Product at AI Solutions. Within our product division, we build our suite of flight dynamics software products, where FreeFlyer is our flagship product that powers all of the others.
Awesome. So, Free Flyer is definitely your most known product, and that's kind of been your flight dynamics, really a toolkit for doing flight dynamics, right?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, FreeFlyer is a space mission design tool that provides, like you're saying, sort of a toolkit or sort of like an all in one immersive solution for high fidelity orbit modeling. So things like maneuver planning and orbit determination and contact analysis together in one application with interactive visualizations and data views and plots that really let space mission analysts and operators unlock insights all within one environment. And FreeFlyer also stands out because of just the incredible amount of flexibility that you get with the combination of our graphical user interfaces and our scripting language, which really lets you do absolutely anything that you want to do.
So you guys just went through a rewrite, kind of a technology rewrite of Free Flyer, and I believe that's what you're going to be talking about at the conference. Can you tell us a little about that?
Yeah, absolutely. Right now, we are working basically in two tracks, and our team has been doing this for a few years now, where we've split the team into the Free Flyer 7 and Free Flyer 8 track. So currently, we are working on Free Flyer 710, where we're adding core engine features. For example, multi objective optimization and optical communications modeling. And then Free Flyer 8, which we've been working on a little bit stealthily over the last several years, is our full redesign and rebuild of the entire front end of Free Flyer, and that will be the focus of my talk at Space Software Summit.
Awesome. So yeah, complete rewrites are scary, but they can be amazing too. So that'll be exciting to hear about at the conference. So you've talked about Free Flyer. What else is going on at AA Solutions?
Yeah, I also wanted to mention Meridian, which is our flight dynamics ground system. So it's our solution for mission operators. Meridian streamlines all of the daily flight dynamics workflows like maneuver planning, contact forecasting, and other orbit product generation. And Scott Lowe, who leads the Meridian team, will also be speaking at Space Software Summit about how the Meridian team has solved maneuver planning in particular in a really flexible way so that Meridian can support multiple missions with a very different mission specific requirements, but then also in an automated or automatable way that supports lights out operations.
That's awesome. So my understanding was Meridian is kind of built for purpose tool for doing flight dynamics. For Free Flyer is more of the, like I said, that toolkit. And that's kind of, is that where you draw the line between the two products?
Yeah, FreeFlyer is the engine that provides all of the modeling, and Meridian is a layer that really provides a workflow for operators. And so FreeFlyer, like I mentioned, has its own scripting language. It really lets you do whatever you want to do. And in operations, maybe operators shouldn't always be able to do absolutely anything at any time. And so Meridian streamlines and focuses what you can do and just abstracts away things like database integration and other things that are essential for operations.
Awesome. No, that sounds like you have some really cool products. So can you tell me real quick what you're excited about for the Space Software Summit coming up?
Absolutely. I am really excited to get in a room with other people who build space software products. We often are going out there to connect with users and customers, but I'm interested to hear the stories from other people who, like we are solving these problems. I'm hoping to learn from everyone. I think that I expect that there will be a mix of people like us, where we've been developing and supporting this product for 25 years, versus startups that are coming at things fresh and will be able to share lessons learned both ways.
That's awesome. Yeah, I'm super excited to kind of just get kind of this core group of people who've been doing this stuff And like you said, a lot of us have been doing it forever. I've been doing it for 23 years now. It sounds like you've been doing it for 25,
Not
right?
me personally, but Free
Well,
Flyer, the product.
the company.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I
But
actually have been on the Free Flyer team for 16, 17 years.
yeah, so it's, I mean, a lot of our lives have gone into these products, and it's going to be awesome to kind of get everyone together and kind of share and build that collaboration and that learning, and for both the history but also the future, and talk about a lot of the innovation that's going on, the new technologies are coming in. One of our keynotes is going to be about AI. It's going to be a really cool opportunity to kind of get the latest stuff going on in space software. So, really excited to have you and the AI Solutions team at the conference. And to everyone out there, tickets are on sale. So, head to spacesoftwaresummit.com and get your tickets now. And we'll see you in October. Thanks.
Thanks, Brian.